The latest robotic innovations are diversifying and enhancing operations across numerous industries. In healthcare, robots like the Vinci Surgical System aid surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries with high precision. Additionally, companion robots like PARO are designed to provide emotional support to patients, especially in elderly care. In manufacturing, collaborative robots, or cobots, are transforming assembly lines by working alongside human workers, increasing efficiency and safety. In space exploration, robots such as NASA's Perseverance rover are pivotal in conducting experiments and gathering data on celestial bodies like Mars. These advancements in robotics are revolutionizing industries, offering increased efficiency, accuracy, and expanding the possibilities for human-robot collaboration in various sectors.